Ever wondered what it's like to stay in one of the world's most iconic hotels? Luxury travel is a realm where dreams come to life, and these dreams are often housed in iconic hotels that are architectural marvels in their own right. These towering bastions of opulence are not just places to rest your head, but worlds in themselves, brimming with elegance, refinement, and a myriad of indulgences. For the discerning luxury traveler, expectations are high, and rightly so. They crave the extraordinary, the exquisite, and the unparalleled. They seek out experiences that truly resonate, that create memories to be savored for a lifetime. And the world's iconic hotels are more than up to the task. They meet these expectations and then some, delivering a world of grandeur and sophistication that is simply spellbinding. Our destination today is none other than the Burj Al Arab Jumeirah. Imagine stepping out of a chauffeured Rolls-Royce and walking into a world of opulence. The moment you arrive at Burj Al Arab Jumeirah, you'll feel like you've entered a different realm. Your journey begins with a luxurious ride, where a chauffeur escorts you in a Rolls-Royce, setting the tone for the grandeur to come. As the car pulls up to the hotel, you're greeted with an architectural marvel. The sail-shaped silhouette of the hotel, a symbol of modern Dubai, welcomes you. The grand entrance, adorned with cascading waterfalls and gold pillars, is a sight to behold. From the moment you step foot inside, the warmth of the hotel staff envelops you. Their welcoming smiles and impeccable service make you feel like royalty. The stunning decor, a blend of contemporary design and classic elegance, leaves you in awe. And that's just the beginning of the Burj Al Arab Jumeirah experience. Welcome to your suite, a two-story haven of luxury. This is where the magic happens, where the mundane is transformed into the extraordinary. Each suite is a testament to the art of luxury living, where exquisite details and world-class amenities coalesce to create a truly captivating atmosphere. Imagine a realm of opulence adorned with plush furnishings, rich fabrics, and an array of radiant colors that echo the vibrant spirit of Dubai. The suites blend traditional Arabian grandeur with a modern twist, ensuring an experience that is both timeless and avant-garde. The amenities? They're nothing short of spectacular. From the expansive living area to the sumptuously decked-out bathroom, every corner of the suite is designed to pamper you in style. And let's not forget about the mesmerizing views. Picture this, floor-to-ceiling windows showcasing the stunning panorama of the Arabian Gulf, a sight that can truly take your breath away. But what truly sets these suites apart is the personalized service. Your very own butler will be at hand, providing an unparalleled level of service that's as discreet as it is attentive. Whether it's arranging a private dinner or securing tickets to the hottest events in town, your every wish is their command. Living in opulence takes on a whole new meaning in these suites. Indeed, the suite life at the Burj Al Arab Jumeirah is not just about living in luxury, it's about savoring the very essence of it. Your culinary journey at Burj Al Arab Jumeirah is nothing short of extraordinary. From the moment you step into our world, your senses are awakened by the array of flavors, aromas, and textures that fill the air. Our hotel is home to a wide variety of dining options, each offering its own unique experience. For those with a taste for the finer things in life, our array of fine dining establishments will not disappoint. Each restaurant is a showcase of culinary mastery, providing a symphony of taste that caters to the discerning palate. For a more laid-back vibe, our casual eateries offer comfort food with a gourmet twist. Here you can sit back, relax, and enjoy a meal that's both satisfying and heartwarming. But the crown jewel of our dining experiences has to be Al Mahara, our underwater restaurant. Here you dine amidst the aquatic wonders of the Arabian Gulf, making each meal an unforgettable spectacle. Each meal becomes a memorable experience here. Beyond the suites and dining, there's a world of luxury to explore. One can't help but marvel at the sheer opulence that Burj Al Arab Jumeirah has to offer. From its decadent spa where tranquility meets luxury to its private beach, your sanctuary amidst the hustle and bustle of the city, every corner whispers the language of grandeur. A notable feature of this architectural marvel is its helipad, perched over 200 meters above the Arabian Gulf, offering a panoramic view of this vibrant city. It's not just a landing spot but a venue for the most exclusive events, a testament to the hotel's commitment to delivering extraordinary experiences. This iconic sail-shaped hotel is a symbol of modern Dubai, known for its opulent suites that redefine luxury living. Each suite, a masterpiece of design and comfort, offers an unsurpassed level of personalized service. The world-class dining options here are not just about food, but about culinary journeys that tantalize your taste buds, presenting an array of gastronomic delights from around the globe. From its awe-inspiring architecture to its world-class amenities, every detail at Burj Al Arab Jumeirah is meticulously curated to provide an unparalleled experience. It's a place where timeless elegance meets modern luxury, where every moment is crafted to create memories that last a lifetime. Burj Al Arab Jumeirah truly embodies the spirit of unparalleled luxury. It's not just a hotel, it's a destination.